Hi, my name is Peter DiPaolo, certified lifestyle coach and personal trainer. I am here to help you take charge and stay in charge of your dreams. In today's video, I want to talk about life balance, and I'm here to help you create a plan to have more efficient, better life balance. How does that sound? Please hit the bell and remember, subscribe, like, share this video with a friend so that more people can find this type of value as I'm sharing with you. So, when we lack life balance, three things can happen, right? Number one, we can have a loss of motivation or energy. So that loss of motivation or energy, that can lead to depression and other unwanted feelings like that, right? Number two, we may not find that we're as productive when we're doing our work. Now, this can lead to us feeling this guilt, right? That we need to do more work, and that can lead to neglecting self-care, other activities that we need to do on downtime, like spending time with our loved ones and our friends, just to be able to get those things done. Now, number three, we may also be sacrificing our health, as I was saying, self-care, because we're never going to take a break. We're never taking a break. There's constantly this focus on getting things done. And then if we're not thoughtful and mindful about our own well-being, right, we could neglect things like better diet choices, just grabbing the first thing you see there, neglecting your exercise, neglecting other self-care rituals that make you feel great and rejuvenated and replenished and ready to go, okay? This is vital, taking that time to make sure that you are always rejuvenated and ready to go, okay? That's why we need life balance, okay? Taking time for self-care, for family, right? For friends, for community activities, and then getting that kind of social support to help us to be successful in all areas of our life, right? Because when we do that, we're developing these skills, we're developing our skills that make us feel happy, and therefore we have a stronger mind, we strengthen our mind, and we will be more productive and successful. As long as we're planning thoughtfully, we can take charge. We can create our own life so other people don't have a chance to do it for us. Very important. So, what are some of the things you can do to create more life balance? Well, number one, you want to set boundaries around work, right? So you're clear with yourself, with your coworkers, with your boss, when it's appropriate to work and when it's appropriate to stop. This will result in you getting more done at work, being more productive again, so you won't be stopping, right, to chat with your coworkers anymore. You won't be, checking in with your friends constantly or checking your social media, watching the news, shopping, things like that, other distractions that limit us from getting things done. Number two, a really good one here too, you want to be able to track, you'd like to track, I'd like for you to track what you actually do get done at work rather than the amount of time you spent working. So work doesn't include texting friends. It doesn't include calling family, getting coffee, right? Social media, looking at the news, right? Those are distractions. It does work. That's not your work. Okay, I think I'm pretty clear on that. Now, it's most important to be aware of the distractions, and you want to acknowledge that they don't contribute to you getting your work done. So again, sorry about that. I just jiggled the camera. So again, we're going to be done with work sooner, so we don't have to feel guilty for not taking work home with us. I remember when I used to go to school, right? A lot of times, myself or some of the other students, we'd get our homework done at school. I mean, like on study hall or downtime or something, but we would get it done at school, and having the homework done out of the way. Okay, with that, so actually it was homework, but we did it at school because we had some extra time. But the result was that when we would play sports, when we would play with friends, when we would have time with our families, when we would do chores, things that were non-school related, that were essential for a balanced childhood life, right? We were 100% present. We did better in our sports. We had more fun when we played with our friends. We were able to listen more carefully to our family and, be more present there. And it was so much more pleasant all around. Not to mention, you didn't have to do homework at night. I wasn't really a nerd or anything, but I'm just saying, making that leisure time, something sacred, and prioritizing it, or at least making it as important as the other aspects. Okay? Just an example. So, being 100% present, right? Having a lot more time. Now, you might try a habit tracker like Habitica, or Strides or Coach Me, and you can download those on an Android or iPhone app. Now, having this habit tracker will actually give you more clarity, and you can actually see and decide which activities, which actions that you can keep and grow upon, and then which ones that you can just let go of because they're useless. Okay, and I also love the tracking journal. This one is called the Baron Fig Squire Habit Journal, and I'm going to leave a link below, and with that link, you'll save $10 on it. It's really nice, actually. I just got one for a gift for my brother, and he just loves it. Now, number 3, being more productive at work, right? Again, it means we don't have to do more work later, right? Or at home. Again, we're not interfering with our personal care, our family, exercise, our friends, our relaxation, right? The more we get done at work, the more leisure time we create for ourselves. And I can't tell you how important that is. Now, number 4, remember, small things matter, okay? So no matter how small it is, they matter. No matter how small something is that you got done, it matters. The small things are what transform the quality of our life to better balance. Acknowledging what is going well, that will result in getting even more to go well, having even more go well. And this just boils down to, if you don't see the success that you've already had, how are you going to recognize the next success you have? When you are aware and recognizing your successes, once again, you're taking charge of your life, right? You're seeing it, you're putting it out there, you're taking charge. One more way for you to take charge so that others don't. Very important. Okay, so here's a good one. I practice this daily. Number 5, use a journal for your intentions, to journal your intentions for the day. The best time to do this is first thing in the morning, right? And when you're doing your journaling, you want to include all the areas in your life that you intend on spending time for. You might have 5, you might have 3, you might, whatever that is for you. I can't tell you what it is, but making sure that those things that are intended, that you've written them down, okay? And the result is you've got it there in black and white. And again, you'll be able to track it. You'll be able to acknowledge it for yourself. And just by putting it in writing, it's one more step to bringing it into fruition, to manifesting it into your life. Okay? So it doesn't have to be daunting. It doesn't have to be a lot of words. It doesn't have to be huge paragraphs, right? I set my timer for 10 minutes, literally 10 minutes. Sometimes it's only 5. But what we want to take away is we want our journaling time to be pleasant, and we want to be present so that we are presently pleasant. Pleasantly present to start our day. That's the way. Kind of made a rhyme up there. So I hope that you found this helpful. I'm committed to bringing you the best value that I can, the best information that I can, relay it any way I can. And please remember, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, share this with other people so that they will also benefit from the same. Remember, the more we do that, the more we help each other, the better our world becomes for ourselves and others. And you are so powerful. All you got to do is hit that little button, like, subscribe, share, okay? So what are some of your challenges when it comes to creating more life balance? Please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I've enjoyed this. I hope that you have. I've really enjoyed it. And I look forward to bringing you more content. My name is Peter DiPaolo. I'm a certified lifestyle coach and personal trainer. And I wish you the most fantastic day ever. I am so looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, my friends, go get them, because I believe in you. Mwah.